Hi friends, welcome to your Children's Wealth YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about how to use articles like a, the and an to have good communication skills for kids. Where to use article a? Friends, a will be used for singular words of noun and just behind the words which starts with other than vowels. Also used to indefinite nouns. We'll just see the example. I have a pen. Here pen is the noun and which is not starting with the letter of vowel. See, basically vowels means A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are the vowels. But here noun that is pen, it is not starting with any of the vowels. And also in this example, I have a pen means it is indefinite sentence. Means we are just saying I have a pen, but I don't know which pen, which color pen, it belongs to what, so it is indefinite actually. Where to use article the? The will be used for singular words of noun and just behind the words which starts with other than vowels. Also used to definite noun. See, basically difference between use of a and article the is the article the will be used only for definite noun, whereas article a will be used for indefinite noun. Here definite noun means I have the pen which is borrowed from my friend. Means here it is definite which pen it is. Pen which I have borrowed from my friend is the one which I am talking about. Where to use an? An article will be used for singular words of noun and just behind the words which starts with vowels and noun which sounds as starting with vowels. We'll see the example. This is an ant. Here noun is the ant. The noun ant starts from the letter A that belongs to vowel. And also one more example, watch an hour. Here hour starts with the letter of H, but that is not belongs to vowel, but even we are using an article an behind the hour because hour it in the hour H is silent and which is sounds as vowel, that is hour. That's why here we are using an article. What is vowels? Vowels are the 5 letters in the alphabets, that is A, E, I, O and U. Friends, we'll just see examples of these articles. Example to use a. Here we have 5 examples. It is a gift. It is a car. He owns a car. I have a pen. Make a list. See, as I explained you earlier, these are all the things means nouns which is indefinite. If you take make a list, here we are just saying to make a list of things, but we don't know which list, what list that we have made. That's why we are going to call it as indefinite. We'll just see the examples of the also, then we'll come to know exactly what is the difference between a and using the article the. It is the gift which I purchased. See, in this example we can see it is definite, means which gift. Which gift means which I have purchased. Like that, it is the car which I got from friend. This is also definite, so that's why we have used the article the behind the noun car. He won the car last week. Here car is the noun of definite noun, that is which he has won in the last week. I have the pen which I borrowed. So this is the pen which he has borrowed from somebody, so it is also definite. Make the list as discussed. Here we have as discussed, whatever in a group that we have discussed, that we need to make a list. That's why it is definite. We have used the article the. Friends, we will see the examples for use of article an. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. The noun umbrella, it starts with the letter U that belongs to vowel. That's why we have used an article an just behind the noun which starts on the vowel U. Same example, this is an ant. And it starts with the letter A that belongs to vowel. Then we will see the fourth example. This is an odorless spray, whereas odorless O is the vowel. This is an elephant, whereas noun elephant, it starts with the letter E that belongs to vowel. Friends, we will just come to third example, watch and hour. See here, hour belongs to hour word, it starts with H, but this is not belongs to vowel, but even we have used an article an, because hour we are pronouncing like hour. Here H is silent, it is pronouncing as if like it starts with the vowel. So even the word pronouncing as like vowel, there also we need to use an article an. Friends, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please write it in comment.